Today, the 21st January 2021, being the 49th Meghalaya Day anniversary, a candlelight vigil was held at Malki ground by the Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organization to pay tribute to all the leaders of the state who had given their yesterdays for our today. The CoMSO put forward the demand to the central government for immediate ILP implementation in the state and also to solve the border issue that is still prevailing at present.
I would like to express our grateful and thankful to all the Hill State warrior who has sacrificed for the cause of the people, who has fought hard during the 1960s, and their sacrifice has paved way to the creation of the Meghalaya state as a whole. So we remember and we value their sacrifice. We upheld their objective, and if we go back to the history, the very objective of fighting for a separate statehood is that the forefather won that the Meghalaya people should be safe in their own land. The identity, the land, the culture should be protected, and importantly, the political right, economic right, and others' right should be safeguarded. So we value this objective, and we as the CoMSO, we would like to express our thankful to all the Hill State fighter. I cannot name them all, be it BB Lingdo, Hoping Stone Lingdo, Howard Nyota, and others, lot. Maybe I cannot name. It can be thousands and lakh of them who has sacrificed for the cause of the Hill State. So that is the first objective. The second objective is that even though these people who has selflessly sacrificed toward the Hill State movement, what's happening after we get the statehood is a sorry state of affairs. I would like to say it's a sorry state. Definitely we will raise the important issue of the state. Especially the first will always be ILP. So we will read the ILP resolution. We will also raise the resolution of the inclusion of the language in the schedule and the long pending border dispute. Also, we will raise with the Honorable Home Minister, and we would like to apprise him that looking at the various angles, Meghalaya deserve ILP. If the Union government can grant ILP as a gift to the indigenous people of the state of Manipur, I think we have demand as our right. So they should also grant us, they should also record sanction for the implementation of ILP in the state. So we have high expectation. We believe that the government of India will make it word into action, into reality, because times and again we see that they always say that the NDA government want to protect indigenous people. So we hope that this will turn into action by accord implementation of ILP in the state of Meghalaya. So we have a very high hope, and we would like to appeal to all the legislators and to all the other CSO also to press for the same, because we believe that the unity that we have in our state will go a long way toward the fulfillment of the issue in our state.